Today is the day to inform and enlighten you about something that is often overlooked, something that is not the number one priority of the American society, and that is animal rights. This earth is not only inhabited by us humans alone. We share it with many, many creatures who put together are a greater number than humans will ever be. Over 1.5 million animals are documented today, but still over 10,000 species are discovered each year, and the number only increases. Although we are finding more and more species, I would like to share with you a more morbid topic, and that is animal testing and experimentation. It is widely discussed among the American people, but something that huge name manufacturers continue still to do. According to statistics, over 115 million animals are killed in lab experiments worldwide for chemical, drug, food, and cosmetic testing every year. As you can see on this pie chart, the percentages of mammals and other animals used in testing is quite astonishing. Vivisection, being the most horrific and worst form of animal testing and abuse, includes everything from poisoning to test the toxicity of a product to causing brain damage to the animal. These animals are subject to experiments that can include everything from burning skin, implanting electrodes into the brain, blinding, and other painful invasive procedures. Moving on, I would like to share with you the pros and cons of testing animals in laboratories. Lab testing creates artificially inaccurate substitutions of illnesses that are injected into these animals, but because we differ so much from animals, they produce invalid results, making the whole process unnecessary. Many trials are conducted in order to perfect a remedy, all of these of which are major cons when it comes to this particular topic, but I will admit that one pro could be the minimal solutions to medical problems. While this horrible action is obscene and cruel, we today have some effective acts that we created for the sole purpose of protecting these animals. The Animal Welfare Act in particular was created and passed by Congress in 1966 to require that minimum standards of care and treatment be provided for certain animals bred for commercial sale, used in research, transported commercially, or exhibited to the public. It consists of many amendments that each are unique in its changes and the events that inspire its passage. We also have the Animal Bill of Rights that was drafted in 1970 and essentially was brought forth, enabling animals to have the same opportunities as we do. Although these animals are living, breathing beings of the U.S., still considers them merely property by law. However, this bill consists of 6 amendments that each in its own way pertain to the welfare of these creatures. Now that I have provided you with some background knowledge on the animal rights of today, I strongly urge you to take a stand and make a difference in order to help these poor creatures. I thank you for your time, and thanks